there. My name is Valerie White-Williams, and I'd like to welcome you to my latest channel, YouTube Success Strategies. And this is where I'm teaching you guys how to build your YouTube channel so you get clients and views and subscribers and money. So today what I'm talking about is what makes a viral video. All right, so I've had some experience with viral videos and it sounds all fancy. It kind of reminds me as a musician, people say, I'm gonna make a standard. I'm gonna make this standard, or I'm gonna make a viral video. Now here's the deal, you can't make a video go viral by wanting to make it go viral. You can't have a song become a breakout hit or a standard that people will record and record and record. You can't make that. It has to happen. So the way a video goes viral is sharing. So when you make a video that appeals to your broad base of popularity, they're going to share it across the platform. So that's what happens when things go viral, is because people are sharing your video. They're sharing it on Facebook. They're sharing it on email. They're sharing it with private groups. They're sharing it on Twitter. They're sharing it everywhere. So you can try and make your videos go viral. You can think, wow, this is a really popular topic. I'm going to make a video about this thing and everybody needs to know about it. But sometimes no one really cares. And that's happened to me with my voice teaching channel. I created a video, this is an example of this, is I created a video on what we call an audition notebook, which is pretty much protocol for anyone who's going out and doing musical theater auditions, opera auditions. You have this notebook and you put things in it and there's kind of a protocol. So I thought, wow, this video is like so important. This is something that a lot of beginning singers don't understand. But guess what? Didn't get very many views. So that video did not go viral. And sometimes the videos that go viral, you're gonna go, huh? How did that happen? Now, I've had several videos go viral in my career, probably more than once. Now, my very first viral video was before YouTube was bought out by Google. And I innocently used to do a Christmas card. This is the truth. I had a Christmas card that I would make and I used to do it digitally and send it out for my family and friends. But what I did is I created a video of my son singing Santa Claus is Coming to Town. He kept messing it up, so I filmed it several different ways and I sketched them together. And at that point, I needed a place to host the video. So this new website was up called YouTube. I thought, well, I'll just post it on YouTube and I'll put it on my Christmas card. Now what happened is it was a Christmas video and that went viral. YouTube had it as one of its promoted videos and things went crazy. I had no idea that that would go crazy. I just wanted to share it with friends and family, but that video went viral. It went viral so big that my son and I were approached to share that video with an overseas movie that was about Christmas. It was kind of back in the days of America's Funniest Home Videos. And so this was called Holiday Blenders, and it was filmed and they took the content of my son's video singing and me playing the piano for this station. And this was, I'm sure it was probably somewhere around 2009 or so, around there. And they offered us $400 to have access to that video. So that's my first viral video that happened. It was pretty crazy. I had no idea. So lightning struck again. So when I moved to Seattle and I created my Vocal Splendor Studios page and my YouTube channel, I just was trying to market myself in Seattle so people would get to know me and feel comfortable booking a lesson for me. That's all I thought would happen. But what happened is I started creating content about the voice. I've been a voice teacher for over 30 years and I just sharing content. So my first video that went viral from that channel was called How Do You Sing from the Diaphragm? And it was vocal myths exposed, meaning, I talked a lot about this lesson with the diaphragm and how you feel the ribs expand, kind of basic singing 101 about how to use the breath. That video went viral and it just took off all over. And it was my #1 video for years, 4 years. Now that video was pretty old. I think I filmed that video in probably 2011, but still, that is still one of my more popular videos. And again, you can't figure out what video is going to go viral, because when videos go viral, it's other people that are sharing it across all the platforms. Now, what I recommend when you have videos, I do recommend sharing your videos across social media. So if you have a video, you might want to share it on Facebook, you want to share it on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all the places, just to see what's going to happen. But you just never know what gets picked up. Because like I said, I've created videos, I thought, these are great, it's gonna go really well, and it's just kind of and then sometimes you have things that take off and you have no idea. Now, the way you know the viral is going the way you know a video is going viral, the stats just go off the charts. They just do this, and they go like that. Now, the other things you can do is you can go into your analytics, and you can kind of see where those are coming from. Is it because it's being shared on Twitter, or it's on Facebook, external? You just don't know. Because when people really like your content, they are going to tell their friends and share it. And that's how it goes viral. And once you have that viral video, it's going to bring you all these subscribers. Now, like I said, you can't plan to make a viral video. It doesn't work that way. It'd be great if it was. You had a checklist and you go, okay, this is guaranteed to be viral. It doesn't work that way. And sometimes a video will go viral right away, and then sometimes it'll be hanging out for a while, and all of a sudden someone will find it, and then your stats will go up. So you don't really have any control over that. The best control you have is to make quality content for your ideal subscriber. Because when you're going to go and start a channel, you want to make sure that you're making the content for your ideal subscribers. So you actually want to think of who exactly is most interested in your content and make content for them. And as you continue to grow and make quality content that is going to be interesting for your ideal subscriber, you're more likely going to have videos go viral. Now, this channel is my newest channel. I started it in June of 2020, and I started it when I started working through my online course, because I wanted to show the people in my course how to create a channel from the very beginning. And to be honest, I didn't really even want to do it. I'm like, oh, I have too many channels to manage, but it's a great way for me to show people how to start a channel from the very beginning, because my main channel, Vocal Splendor Studios, is almost 65,000 subscribers, and so that's quite big. This one is just a baby channel. I have 60 subscribers, but that's the way it is. YouTube is a building journey, and you have to just continue to plug along, do the right things, all the things that I teach in this channel and on my course. Eventually things are going to pick up, because what you want to do is be consistent and make quality content that's very highly desirable to your ideal client. And then sometimes you'll just be surprised and go, whoa, this has gone viral. And it's really exciting when that happens. And I still have viral videos. I do a lot of reaction videos on my Vocal Splendor Studios. And one of my videos just took off to like 30,000 views in like 24 hours. And then my other video, which I think was like pretty much the same, didn't have that effect. So you just have to go with it and do the very, very best. But that's what a viral video is. It's because people are sharing it with all their friends. All right, I hope this was helpful for you guys. And I want you to make sure that you subscribe so you get all of my content. I'm a little different than a lot of the other YouTube coaches because I've been self-employed my whole life. I don't come from corporate. I'm self-taught as a web designer, HTML person, SEO. I've been doing this for years because I'm a self-employed voice teacher. So I'm coming from a different perspective that for you creative types, you might find it's a bit easier because I work with creative people my whole life. And then please let me know what you want me to talk about, because I've been on YouTube for so long. Just put anything below in the description and I will look at making a video to address that. So I also want to let you know that I do also have a Facebook group. They're kind of sister groups, and it's also called YouTube Success Strategies, and I teach people how to succeed on YouTube there as well. Right now, as of today, March 23rd, I'm actually doing a 5-day free challenge to help people grow their YouTube channel. And I do this about every 8 weeks or so. So if you're interested in that, you can find the description below in the description and the URL. Yeah, my kids tease me about that. URL. I call them URLs. I know, that's so bad. All right, thanks so much for the likes, shares, and subscribes, and I look forward to making more videos for you. Take care. Bye.